So question 10 is about percentage. Let's talk about the cost, the market price, and the selling price. So first of all, you can just write down the CMS, the cost, the market price, and the selling price. And now with this time, it's going to calculate the market price. So we try to put the market price as X. And from the first sentence, we have saying that there's a 30% discount on the market price. So discount is actually happening between the market price and the selling price. So that we can write here, this is negative minus 30%. So the selling price is going to be, when you follow through the arrows, then it's going to be times, isn't it? So now I have the X times 1 minus 30%. So that's going to be giving you 0.7x. And after that, for the second sentence, we have the percentage profit is 40%. So the profit is actually comparing the cost and the selling price. So we draw an arrow from here, and then it's going to be plus 40%. But however, when we starting from the selling price back to the cost, so we are reversing the arrow to finding that something. So it's going to be using divide. So that's going to be 0.7x divided by 1 plus 40%, that's going to giving you 0.5x. So now we have the cost, which is 0.5x, and then the market price is x. So now the question is asking about the market price comparing to the cost. So we can using the new minus the old divided by the old times 100%. So the new one is going to be our market price, that's going to be x. And the old one is the cost, which is 0.5x. And then I divide by 0.5x. times 100%, so that's going to be equal to 100%, because x minus 0.5x will giving you 0.5x, and then 0.5 divided by 0.5 which is just giving you 1. So 1 times 100% still 100%, so the answer should be equal to A.